be another station. Must be a Calstock station down there.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna do another video. Today I'm gonna have a little tour of the brand new Sandways Level Crossing in Cornwall. It's had brand new upgrade. Got LED lights and really long wigwags. This place just by the highway. This crossing has got white light, some more brand new white lights as well, and it has a double light here. Best part of it, SAOCL, which is rare. You don't really get a lot of non-barrier crossings here. Let's go other side. So we have the alarms. There's no barriers. Also, it's kind of looks like a crossing somewhere Lincoln, Nottingham, have long wigwags. It's unusual to see this in Cornwall anyways. This crossing's got pedestrian lights, brand new upgrade. Only been about 4 months since the upgrade, and it's much better. First, it used to be it was a crossing where you just had to check both ways, and it would have like you could see there was but look, there's like a look both ways. You just had to see if there was anything coming, and also the reason why they probably did that is because that I mistakenly stopped filming the video. Sorry. So basically, like, they probably did this because it's not really easy to check both ways, really. And yeah, this place does look cool. It's brand new. They made the thing to stop you coming onto the track really pointy. It has got amber and red lights. It's got red flashing man. I'm not really expecting a train yet because we're just like touring the thing. So yeah. It's railway crossings normally down for like somewhere 30-40 seconds. The train goes by. There's a B158. This crossing's on the Plymouth to Gunnislake Line. And this place is closest crossing to Calstock station. And then we have the main road over there. There's signs saying Callington and Halberston. And there's a Calstock sign with the station and the same Morvenny line. Yeah, it's crossing. Pretty cool. Oh, I'd love to go catch a closure at this place at some point, but I guess that's all I've got to say for you now, guys. So, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you later.